So if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing and you're not sure if you need to invest in a course, maybe you can just learn everything online. Maybe you can just learn it for free, learn it on YouTube, learn it on social media. Why do you need to invest in a course? What is the benefit of investing in a course even? Hi and welcome, my name is Gershwin, and in today's video we're going to look at, is it really worth it to invest in an affiliate marketing course, or can you just learn everything online? But before we get started, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Now, when I got started in affiliate marketing, I invested in different courses, and I just invested without doing any due diligence or any research. I invested in a course because I believe that what the person said, they will actually teach me that, and I will start earning commissions from month one already. And when I invested in courses, in the first few courses that I invested in 2 different courses. And I then noticed that the people that were teaching me wasn't transparent. They didn't explain to me everything. They just said to me, do this and do this and do this and this, and that's that. And I tried to implement everything that I've learned, and I failed. And then I said, okay, next time I'm going to buy another course. But this time I'm going to do my research and see if I can relate to the people that will teach me, and if I can actually learn something from them and implement it and be successful in it. And then the second course, I opted in for a mentorship. And with a mentorship, they gave me the training that I am also going to give to you for free. If you check down in the description, there's a link. It will say the 4-day success series, where I will teach you everything about affiliate marketing and what I've learned in this training mentorship that I'm in to help you. So if you don't want to invest in the course, you don't have to do that. But for me, it was life-changing when I invested in the second course. Because in the second course, the people that I learned from, they were transparent with me. And I could ask them questions on, how do I do this? I'm stuck here. How can I implement this? And they said to me, they answered all my questions that I had, and they were there to support me. And you need to invest in a course like that. You need to invest in a course that's actually beginner friendly, that would guide you and say, okay, you need to build a funnel. Why do you need to build a funnel? You need a domain name. Why do you need a domain name? So that they explain to you and they're transparent with you, and that you know they're actually making the money that they're claiming that they're making. Because a lot of people are claiming to make $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 a month, but they're really not making that amount. So be aware of that when you invest in a course. But what I would say is that for me, the best thing I could have done was investing in a course. Although in the first course I failed and I implemented everything that they said, but I still failed. I've learned what to look for in the right course and the right people. Because most of the time you don't buy a course, you buy into that person that's selling that course. And if you can relate with that person, then you will become successful, and you will then strive in this training course that you invested in. But if you're a total beginner and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, the best thing that I can say to you again is, click the link below in my description. It's a free 4-day success series where I will train you what is affiliate marketing, how to get started, what to look for if you're buying a course, and I'll also recommend you the best course that I would say for a beginner, and it's only $7. So if you want to do that, you can jump into my free 4-day success, and I'll teach you step by step how to do affiliate marketing. You don't have to buy the course that I'm promoting, but I highly believe that this course can change your life, and I do believe that they add value. And if you relate with that, you can just click the link down below, and it will take you through that whole process. But you first need to understand what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, what's the tools that you need, and that's what I'm giving you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please be blessed and create the success that you want. Bye.